Buckle up, guys. Today we're going to witness how a simple audit outside a police station spirals into a full-blown legal disaster. It all kicks off with the inspector claiming Yardley is on private property, despite no signs, no fences, no warnings. This is where the clash begins, authority versus law. Right here, the stage is set for a confrontation that will expose just how shaky the police stance really is.
Well, there is a barrier there.
Yeah, that's for
and
cars.
There's a fence there.
That's for cars. I didn't jump over anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything I can help you with at all?
Yeah, you can stop abusing my rights and let me film. That's what you said.
I'm not stopping you filming.
Okay, then.
No problem with you filming
Well, I
at
can
all.
film in the car park. There's nothing stopping me from filming in the car park.
As part of our insurance reasons, as well as the security of the site, we don't allow members of the public on here. So that's why I'm asking you to leave and move out onto the public area. You can either go out here or you can go onto the public access area there. It's entirely up to you.
All right, guys, watch closely here. The inspector's argument crumbles the moment Yardley points out the absence of any signage or restriction. No climb, no trespass, just an open path. To avoid further dispute, Yardley steps back behind a gate onto public land. Yet the conflict only deepens. This isn't just about a barrier. It's about who truly understand the law, and it becomes clear that Yardley is more prepared than the officers facing him.
Do your job first.
Well, I'm doing my job.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Step away, go away, get lost. I'm not listening to you. Do not talk to me. Listen, stop talking to me. No, I'm not going to listen to you. And if you touch me, all right, that's going to be an assault as well. So just, look, you've got your hands up. You've got your hands up. Right, so excuse out of my way, please. Excuse out of my way. Excuse out of my way.
You can film.
Oh, listen to me. Please get out of my way. Please get out of my way. Get out of my way. Let me
The Chief
pass.
Constable holds the right to restrict your access, okay? You're more than welcome to film on the public bits, but we can't have you filming by the gate, obviously, because it's got a keypad, okay, which is a private
I'm not listening to you what you're saying. You're just talking. No, I'm not. You're talking to yourself, and I'm going forward. And I'm going forward. Do not listen. You're standing right in front of me.
I'm saying,
right. So I'm. Why not?
Because it's an implied right of access.
No,
We have the
listen.
right
I've
to
got
remove you.
I've got a right of access. I've been told. Okay,
No.
by an
Yeah, you
inspector. By an inspector.
And this right of
Okay.
access is now being revoked.
No, we'll go and get an inspector to revoke it because I've been told by an inspector that I can film here.
I don't need an
No,
inspector.
well, I've been told that I can film here.
What I am happy
I've
to
been
do
told. No. Listen.
talk to you about what's upsetting you.
Nothing. Well, you're upsetting me because you're not doing your job. He just went and threatened me.
Right, but the reason I hear...
No. He just went and threatened me.
Here's where the tension spikes. Two officers step in and push hard, claiming some vague implied access that supposedly lets them move Yardley along. But that's pure bluff. Yardley stands firm, reminding them he's exactly where an inspector already said he could be. Their attempt to revoke that access isn't backed by law, just by force of ego. This is a turning point where it becomes obvious they're bluffing, and he knows it.
He just went and threatened me. So you're telling me somebody can threaten you anywhere,
Right.
but all you're worrying about is me not filming in a place
At
of...
the moment, yes.
Yeah. Why?
Correct.
Who started the initial crime? Who initially evoked
At
a
the
crime?
moment, I'm here because you're here,
No.
filming in a place you're
Well, you
not allowed
shouldn't
to
be.
film.
You should be after that guy first because he's getting away. Who is he?
At the moment,
Who's that bloke?
I don't know.
Why don't you know that?
Because I don't work with him.
So how are you going to find him?
Well, we've got CCTV, I'll identify
Okay.
that, okay?
Oh, yeah,
what I'm more concerned about at the moment...
No, I'm not going nowhere. I've
So
been
you
told that I
can't
can film it. I can.
You can, but you
I can
can't
film
film
it.
here.
I can film
Further back
it.
to
No,
where-
and I'm telling you that I've been told by an inspector that I can film here.
inspector was it
Okay,
that
Inspector
told you?
Creed. Okay, now off you go because this is what he said. Okay, I can film here. So unless another inspector comes down and wants to tell me that, no, I'm not going to take it from
I
you.
have the right to
No.
tell you can't film
No, you're not going to supersede the inspector because he told me that I can film here.
From
All
my
right?
sergeant and from my inspector.
No.
I've been told
Which inspector?
inside-
Who's the inspector?
Inspector Cutter.
Okay, where's Inspector Cutter?
He's in the building.
Okay, we'll go and get Inspector Cutter to
Not
come
at
out
the
and tell me.
moment, because I'm asking you.
No, and I'm politely
Politely.
refusing, and I'm
Politely.
declining because I've
Politely
already been
decline.
told by Inspector Creed that I can film here. So
And we have
I don't believe
we have
you.
the right
I don't believe
to
you.
overrule that.
I don't believe you.
Now pay attention. The officers insist another inspector has denied Yardley permission, yet they refuse to produce him. They even claim they can overrule the inspector who cleared Yardley to film. That is a staggering display of ignorance of rank and law. Instead of checking facts, they double down with authority games. Yardley keeps calm, demanding the truth, while they spiral deeper into contradictions they can't defend.
Anyway, do you know something? You're trying to talk, right? And I've already told you. No. It's not that you're making sense or not. I've already told you that I'm not allowing you to talk simply because I want you to do something which you haven't done. So therefore, by you carrying on with your waffle, right, I'm giving you that opportunity to talk. But I'm not going to give you that opportunity to talk, so I'm going to stop you right there. When an inspector comes out, then he can tell me that. I'll tell him that what Inspector Creed says. We'll have that discussion there. Because as far as I'm concerned, I have been given, right, the right to film here. No, I'm not talking to you no more. I'm telling you, right? I've just told you.
Why let's have a conversation?
Don't worry about it, all right?
I don't understand why you're being
Because I want you to go and sort out this first thing. You're not doing it. You're not doing your job. You're standing there, wasting time, my time, your time, everybody's time.
What I don't know, what's the reason for filming here? That's what I know that you can, but what's the reason?
Well, it'll be a bit hard to draw stuff, so I've got my camera out.
All right, here's the boiling point. The officers start throwing out threats of arrest under Section 68, claiming filming license plates is an offense. That's laughable. Plates are public by law. They insist Yardley is obstructing business when he's simply filming from public land. It's pure misuse of legislation, and instead of backing down, they escalate further. This is the moment you can feel the unlawful arrest coming.
So what I'm saying to you, okay, all we need to know, or what we're happy with you doing, is filming, obviously, outside of the more public areas. That's absolutely fine. Don't stop you doing that, okay? All we ask that under Section 68 of the Criminal Justice Public Order Act 1994, okay, is not to film.
Are you detaining me?
Not at the moment.
Are you giving me a caution? Stop telling me to listen.
I'm giving you a warning.
Stop. No. Are you cautioning me?
I'm not cautioning you.
Well then, I don't want to hear no section, nothing. Am I doing anything wrong? Am I doing anything wrong? No. Am I doing anything wrong? Am I doing anything wrong?
Registration plates are doing something wrong.
Listen. Don't tell me that I was filming registrations plates, okay? Get some concrete evidence and then come and start telling me all these things. Otherwise, go away. You keep on. You just did.
I'll tell you, under that section.
Under what section? Of section what? Doing what?
Is if you begin to start filming registration plates, keypads, people coming in and out of the building, it's obstructing day-to-day business.
No, it's not. I'm not obstructing anybody, and I can stand in. Get lost. Do you know something? I can stand in a public place and I can film whatever I want.
Yeah. And we can arrest you for aggravating trespass.
You can't.
Okay.
You can't.
Yes, we can.
Get lost. You can't.
Yeah, we can, and we will do if you carry on.
This is where reality hits hard. Yardley's arrest collapses instantly in court, and the police force is left with nearly £10,000 in damages and fees. Yardley walks away with compensation, but the real blow is to the taxpayer, who shoulders the cost of officers' ignorance. It's a perfect example of how failing to know the law doesn't just cost credibility. It costs the public thousands they should never have had to pay.
Do these questions relevant?
Curious to know how to treat you, what your experience is and what you may or may not know.
I'm not somebody who gets myself into trouble.
Okay, no, that's fine. Right, well, long story short, I'm the Classic Sergeant, so it's my job to look after you here and I'm sure you're dealt with fairly as well.
Okay.
To that end, I'm going to ask obviously a few questions to find out why you're here, and I've got some questions for you, see how you're doing physically, mentally.
Okay.
Bearing in mind when I ask the officers about why you're here, that is them explaining why they've done what they've done. That is not an allegation to you for you to sort of necessarily reply to, okay? Because otherwise we'll end up in a conversation, I suspect.
All right, guys, here's the takeaway. Yardley stood calm and lawful on public land, while the officers stretched the law until it broke. Aggravated trespass never applied, and the arrest was retaliation, not justice. This case proves one thing. When officers act on ego instead of training, it's the public who pays the price. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.